Hey friends, I hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, we'll talk about Vulkan API and how it might change the future of gaming. Before starting, make sure you like the video, and if you are new, press the subscribe button.
Got me jumping like
Vulkan was first announced by Kronos Group at the Game Developers Conference in 2015. It is a cross-platform application programming interface that enhances everything today's graphic can do. Vulkan is the next step over AMD's Mental API. Mental API was built to be successor of OpenGL. Yep, you know about OpenGL, right? So basically, Vulkan is super upgraded version of OpenGL. Like there was DirectX 9, then came DirectX 10, and so on. But why DirectX 12 is not the future? Let's see. In 2013, AMD announced Mental, and with Mental came significant changes to the OpenGL platform. Mental helped unify the console and PC markets under a common graphics architecture. Mental adapted the multi-core advantages of console and brought them to more robust hardware of a PC. In its days, Mental was the fastest adopted PC graphics API since DirectX 9. Vulkan was built by taking Mental as a base, making it a next generation open source platform to take gaming further than it's ever been. Enough about history, let's talk about what Vulkan really does. Simply put, Vulkan is the next step in the evolution of Open Standard popularized by OpenGL, and it is a direct descendant of AMD's Mental API. According to Senior Manager of Public Relations at AMD, Vulkan brings roughly the same benefits as DirectX 12 does over its predecessor. Both DirectX 12 and Vulkan have advantages over its predecessor. However, Vulkan also has advantages over Microsoft platform beyond just performance. If we talk about DirectX 12, it is great for developers who are looking to move their code from, let's say, Xbox One to Windows Phone. But what about developers who are looking to develop games outside Windows ecosystem, like Android games? That's where Vulkan comes in. Vulkan code is platform agnostic, from console to a PC or to a smartphone, regardless of what operating system it uses. From a very high level, both DirectX 12 and Vulkan serve the same goal. Both give more control to the developer, both offer measurable improvement in terms of efficiency. But the real advantage of Vulkan is that it works across all platforms. Windows or Linux, it works on all. Now, let's see how Vulkan is faster than its predecessor. Older standards like DirectX 11 and OpenGL automate the process of memory allocation on the GPU, while Vulkan gives programmers even more control over the hardware, meaning developers have even greater flexibility in interfacing with GPU and CPU. This was not possible even in Mental. That level of control gives developer option as to how much hardware control they want, allowing developers to utilize more CPU and GPU cores. So the applications developed using Vulkan based game engines will automatically benefit from Vulkan's enhanced performance. In other words, games are going to look even better while taking more efficient advantage of both existing and developing hardware. And also I would like to mention that Vulkan can also bring improvement in VR. How? Let's see. In VR, constant 90 FPS are required to be maintained for gamer to not lose immersion or to not feel physically ill. To achieve that much high frame rates, VR application needs not just the fast hardware but also a smart software. Vulkan also helps for virtual reality by reducing latency, and low latency is very crucial for VR experience. Vulkan is the best way to get this performance. There's simply no better way to minimize latency and to improve responsiveness. So At the end, Vulkan could be a huge shot. If you are a gamer, that's a lot to be excited about. Your games are going to look better, and run on multiple platforms. It also has a huge potential for mobile gaming. No matter how you look at it, Vulkan is meant to be a win for everyone in gaming. So that's all about Vulkan. I hope you like the video, and if you know any gamer, share this video with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think about Vulkan in the comment section. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.